creators, a good tool is essential. It should be portable, powerful, easy to use. Introducing Tycoon, the DIY Pro 3D printer with linear rail X-axis. Setting up Tycoon is easy. Just install 4 screws on the printer and it's ready to go. Tycoon's auto-leveling function will guarantee a perfect flat printing platform and save you lots of time from manually leveling. You can also level it through adjustable foot pads if you need. With the X-axis linear bearing structure, Tycoon's Z-axis accuracy is 30% more than the ordinary pulley structure. Along with the dual Z-axis design, they ensure the printer's smooth motion, printing accuracy, and even reduces wear over time. Thanks to the integrated extruder kit, Tycoon is smaller and perform better than most of the 3D printers on the market, and it can print with flexible filaments. The rotary feeding in will help you monitor the filament charging status all the time, and the filament sensor makes sure the printer stops and notifies you when the filament is gone. If the power is off, just simply restore the power and the printer will resume exactly from where it was. The filament holder structure guarantees a smooth discharging, and you can adjust the spacing and positioning for filaments with different manufacturers' standards. With the latest Marlin 2.0 version mainboard and the TMC 2208 silent motherboard, Tycoon is fast, powerful, and super quiet. And the dual gantry structure makes it even more stable, less shaking when printing. Operating Tycoon with the full-color touchscreen is simple and responsive, and it supports up to 9 languages. Also, you can transfer your files to Tycoon through Wi-Fi. And with the Octoprint and webcam accessories, you can control and monitor Tycoon through your computer or mobile devices. There's no extra cable out of Tycoon. It's neat and steady. And with the dual handles, you can move Tycoon around easily. Use Tycoon wherever you're at and whenever you want. It could be your little factory. It could be the first 3D printer you ever own. Tycoon, the DIY 3D printer with industrial-grade performance.
So, as I said, this is the old one now. An engineer at Intech Gaming has come up with a solution, and here is the solution. As you can see, this is a really smart, slick design. It's got really nice lines, it's very ergonomic, and there's a number of advantages to this. So the first thing is plug and play. You can just plug it into a modern TV. It has an RGB output. And also we have a HDMI port, so you can plug straight into the modern, best high-tech televisions, and away you go. You'll have a much better picture quality than the old one. Okay, so as you can see, this is all dirty and scruffy. However, an engineer at Intech Gaming has come up with a solution. And that solution is Warrior 64. As you can see, Warrior 64 has a complete new casing. It's nice and slick. It comes in a lovely transparent green and also a transparent black. And there are a number of advantages to this. So the first advantage is that it's completely plug and play. The second advantage is that it has RGB out. And thirdly, it also has a HDMI port, which you can see here. So the HDMI port gives you the best graphics on modern televisions. No more RF with a poor quality picture. The latest HDMI signal right into your modern TV. So this is what you're going to get with Warrior 64. This is the plug and play version, and this is super easy to get going. All we need to do is plug in a HDMI cable. so. Plug in the power pack, like so. And then we have this Warrior 64 controller, which is a brand new controller developed to partner the Warrior 64. However, it will also work with your old N64 as well. So we plug this into the front here. Choose your favourite game, mine's Mario. Pop the cartridge in, switch on the console, and within about 20 to 30 seconds, we are ready to play. And as you can see, using the Warrior 64 with the RGB signal, you have a much sharper picture with much brighter colour than your original N64, which only had an RF output. Okay, let's go in the swimming, let's go in the sea. So to get one of these, head over to Kickstarter where they're available now. You can either get it in the jungle green or smoky black. And as a bonus for all you early bird Kickstarters, you will get not one, but 2 controllers. You will get an additional controller free of charge. And that additional controller and the price is better than it will be later on when we start selling on Amazon and eBay. And for all of you out there who are a little bit more technical and a small amount of electronic knowledge, we have a kit that allows you to turn your old N64 into a Warrior 64. That kit is available also in the jungle green and the smoke black. And I'll just show you what comes in that kit. So you get the N64 jumper pack. You get the board to give you the HDMI better quality video output. You get all the cables that are required, and you get the packets of screws that you're going to need. We also give you the special screwdriver to be able to open your original N64, and it's quite simple. You just need to remove the motherboard from your old N64, insert it into the new Warrior 64 case, add all the extra bits and pieces, and away you go. There's a little bit of technical knowledge needed, but not very much. If you scroll down the page, you will see all the instructions on exactly how to do it. And for all the early birds who purchase it, you will get completely free of charge a Warrior 64 controller, which incidentally is also compatible with all